Hello to you, my darling, and welcome to Shanetta's DIY Life channel. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy my DIY. To my subscribers, hi y'all, and thank you so much for once again checking out my videos. I am doing a simple DIY wreath from Dollar Tree products, and I am loving the simplicity of how I made this. So you're going to be using a wreath from Dollar Tree. The kind I am using is the wood one like this one. They have two sizes. They have a smaller one and they have a bigger one. And I'm using a bunch of leaves to start off with the DIY. I was originally going to have an entire wreath made of greenery only, and I was like, I don't want to cover up this beautiful wood look, so I'm just going to do a portion of the wreath only. Now you can put the leaves anywhere you see fit. I just stuck them into the holes, the crevices of the wreath for more support and added glue so it wouldn't move. And this is how you start off the DIY. So I'm looking to do a goal of 100 likes, so if you can give me a like down the bottom if you like my video, I will greatly appreciate it. So once you made it as full as you want on your wreath, now it's time to attach the word so you can make it float. In order to achieve the floating word within the wreath, I decided to get some thread, the lightest color I can find, to attach it to my wreath. Now, this metal word is heavy, so you have to attach the thread to two ends of the word so that it can actually dangle evenly and won't tilt one way or the other. And when you lay it down, it's best to lay it down on the flat surface, put your wreath over it, and adjust it how you want it to look inside of the wreath, and make sure the tension of the thread is even, because if you have one side that is a lot more tense than the other side, when you hang it up or pick it up, it's going to be lopsided. So just make sure you're being real careful and you are making sure that both of the threads are even and tense, and then glue it with some hot glue so that you can be done with that part. Now it's time to attach the flowers to your wreath. Now I decided to put my flowers in the center of the greenery, going in the same direction of the greenery from the top to the bottom. You can put as many or as less amount of flowers you want. I want it to be a simple wreath, so this is what I decided to do for mine. I actually trimmed off the back pieces of the flowers to make it a little more flat, because the part that attached to the stem was not allowing it to stay on the wreath as good. So keep that in mind to snip off the back so it could be a lot more flush when you are putting the hot glue on. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you have a beautiful day. And once again, thank you for checking out my video.